How to get premium in BiliBili. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily get the premium feature for BiliBili account. First things first, launch open a web browser and type in bilibili.tv and search. Make sure that you're logged into your BiliBili account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're inside the BiliBili homepage, go ahead and click on the premium button in red at the top right. You can mouse over to it and in the pop-up, click on Join Premium. You'll get most of the benefits out there such as premium only, early watching, HD resolution, multi-platform, free downloads and skipping ads. Click on the Join Premium button and choose your subscription plan. You can choose from annual standard, quarterly standard, monthly standard, or 1 month standard package. Make your selection according to your choice and go to the Select Payment Method option. Go ahead and select the payment method that is available for your region and click on it. You'll then be taken to your selected payment method's information field. Go ahead and enter your information. If you've selected PayPal, enter your PayPal account's credential, that is your email or phone number associated with your PayPal account, and click Next. Now enter your PayPal account's password and click Login. Once you log in, you can then go ahead and make your payment for the subscription plan. Once you subscribe to BiliBili Premium, you can enjoy the ad-free viewing, early access to shows, and exclusive content. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.